Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. And I just wanted to show you something that I am looking at here on Peloton thanks to a late night text to my husband's phone last night from one of his friends that owns a bunch of the stock. So I went ahead and took a look myself to see what kind of support zone we have here on Peloton. The support zone is coming in 89.28 to 92.46. Of course, we have bounced. And we have triggered here on a 30-minute chart, which is good for a swing longer-term trade. Something I do want you to notice is that we are above the 200 and we are above the 50 again now, but the 5 and the 13 are still on a sell. However, I do really like this setup zone. It's got a lot of 618s, 786s, some 50%. So I do like this cluster we have. So as long as this cluster holds, I do like this setup. Now typically what I would say is I wouldn't necessarily take the trade right here where it is, even though it's triggered on the 30-minute chart. I would go down to a lower time frame and look for a better entrance. So we could look for that here on the 30-minute chart. Let's see, we've got a swing there, smaller swing here. Okay, so there's some closer points for you to look at here that if you did not want to take that original setup zone, you could actually take these setup zones here. Let me see if I've got something here. Yeah, so I would just basically say anywhere from 105, 48. I actually see, is that a symmetrical projection there also? Probably through that one. Yep, we are. So I like this little setup zone that I have here for you on the 30-minute chart, 105.58 to 106.38. As a closer setup zone than that original setup zone, but of course you can risk all the way down to there. Now, something that I want you to be aware of if you decide to take this 30-minute setup tomorrow. Okay, first off, your target would be 113.51 and 115.43 if you just wanted to do a quick day trade. But what I really want you to keep your eyes on is this resistance that we have coming in, 115.81 to 117.22. So if you're not in this trade yet and you want to wait till we get up into this zone of resistance and we have a pullback, we could set something else up on a lower time frame chart again. But if we take out this high right here at 112, this setup zone will no longer be valid. Okay, so your daily setup zone is 89.28 to 92.46. Your daily target is 152.73 and 169.24. However, you do want to be aware of the resistance coming in at 115.81 to 117.22. And if you're interested in a smaller pullback so that you don't have to risk that entire zone, it has triggered. The 8 has crossed the 34 here on the 30-minute chart. I have a pullback zone here for you, 105.58 to 106.38. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now for Peloton. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks, everyone.